Protima's demonstrative laundry here in Protima, Poland, and I'd like to present you our new centrifuge model of centrifuge is Start W2000. This is a small centrifuge, as you can see. It is fitted in between the wheels of the bigger one, the bigger model, Tornado W3300. So this one, small one, is a kind of auxiliary centrifuge for the big one, for the laundries, where you have a bigger amount of the rugs, which are cleaning every day. So in order not to use all the time the big one with the engine 5.5 kilowatts, just use this one, economic small centrifuge with the engine 2.2 kilowatts. So this is more effective, and it consumes less electricity. As you may see, this model also is hot galvanized and has stainless steel drum. All the system is very similar. So right now we'll spin and dry our woolen rug, and in 3 minutes you're gonna see how dry it will be after the spinning. Okay, so let us just put it inside. Okay, now it's okay. So and now start the work. As you may hear, the operation is very quiet. Not so much noise. And it is stable, it's not jumping. It's very good. So, after the spin, 3 minutes of spinning, you can take it out and we're going to see how dry it is. We're going to check it right now. I'll try to show you. So I just want to remind you that this is a woolen carpet. So we have paper. Just put it on it. Just hard. And as you may see, it's absolutely dry. So a few hours of good weather under the sun, and this rug is gonna be completely dry, so it can be given back to the customer. So as you may see, this model of the centrifuge is the same, very effective as each of our machines. So please welcome to our webpage. Have a look. We have a description with the prices for each machine. So in case you have any question, please get in touch with me. See you. Bye bye.